Welcome to my channel, guys. Nice having you here again. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's look at how we can blend another set of oil perfume. Oil perfume business is now the in thing. A lot of people now prefer these fragrant oils to the regular perfumes that we have in the market. One very good thing about these oil perfumes is that the effect lasts very long on clothes. Even after washing the clothes, the fragrance is still on the clothes. Still very sweet and nice, and that is why many people are going for them. So today I selected few of these fragrant oils. The first one I have there is Pink Chiffon. Then I have Chairman, which I mixed with Royal Black. Then I have Sugar Baby. I have Blue Stone, and I have Smart. Those are the 5 fragrances I'm working with in this video. Always a bowl for mixing them, and again I have that small funnel. These bottles are selected for selling the oils. They are very beautiful. The reason why I chose them is because people first of all fall in love with the bottles before they will even perceive the fragrance. People like beautiful things. So I got these bottles in different colors so that it can appeal to the eyes of the users before they can even perceive the fragrance. So I'll be missing some, but I wanted to kind of customize the colors of the bottles with some fragrance. Like this pink bottle, I decided to make it for use Sugar Baby. You know, many people, many ladies for instance, they like pink and purple colors. And again, Sugar Baby is a fragrance that is always selling. So I decided to customize it with the color of the bottles. So that's what I'm doing here. My Royal Black mixed with Chairman is what I'm filling into the yellow bottle. So obviously I'm making this one specifically for men. Now the essence of pouring your methanol is to make dispensation of the perfume easy. You know, oil is thick and the spray is very tiny. So when you add a little methanol, it lightens it up and it makes it easy for you to spray. So I'm pouring Sugar Baby into this pink bottle. So obviously I'm making this one for ladies. The bottle is attractive and Sugar Baby fragrance is feminine. So I'm making it to be double interest for ladies. The bottle will first of all appeal to them, then the fragrance will make the deal to be sealed. So Sugar Baby for my pink bottle, Showman plus Royal Black in my yellow bottle, obviously for men, and this one for ladies. So when you are adding your methanol, just a little to help the viscosity so that it can spray out easily. That is the essence of adding methanol. Although I know that some people overly add this methanol, thereby diluting the fragrance. That is not a good business. You have to make your product to be quality so that your customers will keep placing order for you to supply more and more. So after customizing those two fragrances, I went ahead to make for my green bottles, and I used Bluestone. Bluestone is for men, but there are some females like myself that like, men perfume. Bluestone is a very good one for such class of women. Ideally is for men, but there are some selected women that will appreciate the fragrance. So this is Bluestone, and I customize it into my green bottle. The reason why I'm making it like this is because customers that used them before wanted the same fragrance. So I add my methanol to allow easy flow of the fragrance while you are dispensing. Then I'm moving to the fourth bottle, which is my blue bottle. Honestly, I was supposed to use my Bluestone in blue bottle. I think I have to change it. Next time I will have to put my Bluestone in blue bottle. It goes very well. See, this is where your creativity comes in. Put one or two together and then make your product unique. Okay, so what I'm pouring in now, the fourth bottle, I'm filling in with pink chiffon. So what I'm filling in, this is feminine, but when you mix it with another fragrance, anybody can use it at that point. So I filled my blue bottle with pink chiffon, added methanol to allow it to flow easily. You don't have to over add methanol. So my big bottles are ready. I don't know the area where you are watching from, the country where you are watching from. Oil perfume is the in thing. Everybody wants to use it because of the lasting effect of the fragrance. So that is blue chiffon, and then I added it with sugar baby. Okay, added it with sugar baby and smart to fill in my smaller bottles. So I added up 3 fragrances and then a little methanol. See how little it is, just to ease the spray. Then it's time to bottle them gradually. Bottling these small bottles requires a lot of patience because the pressure don't seem to be enough. So I keep raising the funnel to allow the fragrance go into the bottle. So you require a lot of patience here in filling these tiny perfume bottles. And I have to use the bowl so that I will avoid wastage of the fragrance that I'm filling in. So you do it like this for all the tiny bottles. It requires a lot of patience. Tell me where you are watching from. Tell me how much you sell this size of bottle. in my area in Nigeria, this size of 6 mils bottle I sell for 1,000 naira. Then I have 8 mils bottle I sell for 1,200 naira. And I have this 10 mils for 1,500 and 12 mils for 1,800. The big bottles are 40 mils and it goes for 5,000 naira.